Hello everyone, this is just a tour of our 221 cabin at East River Campground at Arrowhead Provincial Park. So we have this deck in the beginning where you can use your wagon to pull up stuff. On the side you can see there's a fireplace with 2 chairs. Apart from that, once you get up the porch, you have a nice little propane powered barbecue grill, and it has this timer on it, so you need to adjust this timer first before starting it, and then here are some further instructions. Once you go in, you get to these nice 2 little chairs, Muskoka chairs. So this is a good porch, so if it's raining outside or if it's snowing outside, you can just hang out in here and enjoy the view outside. That's what we did over the past weekend, and this is how it looks inside. So now you have a microwave, nice little fridge, drawers, a trash can, a kettle up there if you want to heat up your water, a fireplace. It's propane powered, so no actual wood in there, and then you can actually set up the temperature if you want it higher or lower. And then these are the bed spaces, so I think 2 people can sleep over here, 2 over here, and then 1 up there, so 5 in all. One thing to note is pets are not allowed in this particular cabin, but I think there's one in which pets are allowed. I think it's 224, but please confirm that. And then you get a fan up here if you prefer that, and here are the switches. You can dim the lights or up the brightness. But yes, this is how it looks like. Pretty decent. It's a good place for family to hang out for the weekend or for the week if you prefer so. But yes, I will see you around. If you have any questions, please write those down in the comment section and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Bye bye.